welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. It's another week of planning out all the things that we've got to do, all our errands, our appointments, and all that good stuff. Welcome along. If it's your first time, thank you for coming along, and thank you for watching, and many thanks to all my returning subscribers. Hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done is hosted by myself, Crafty Chronicles, and it's a way that I plan out all the things that I've got to do, but also I do find time to have some fun while I'm doing them. I don't stress if I can't get everything done all at once. I usually spread it over time, such as days, weeks, and even months. And I don't forget to take some time out for myself. I swim usually, I listen to music, favourite podcasts, take a nap, audio books, paint my nails when I feel like it. I do go to the salon for a regular pedicure. I just don't stress over anything. Well, I try my best not to, because I'm only human. But I really try my best not to stress. So this week I am planning for today, Monday the 3rd of August, up until Sunday the 9th, and as you can see, no jewelry because I am about to get down to some decorating. So Monday, Wednesday and Friday I do wash and dry. I also do my budget as well on those days. Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday I usually fold and pack away all the clothes that I've washed the previous day. I really try and keep it in sync, I do. And Thursdays I have movie nights, and I also do a little bit of ironing as well. So let's start from Monday. I do follow the Fly Lady Cleaning Zone method, and it's zone 2 this week. Now, usually on a Monday, I usually list down to do the beds, bleach the kitchen, the bathroom and the toilet, hoover and mop. And I have changed it to Tuesdays now, because what I do now is my meal prep, and I cook as well. So that's gone to Tuesdays where I start all that work, but I don't do it all the same day. I do spread it over the days. The zone is zone 2 this week, and I've got to dust all the high spaces and dust and polish the living room. I need to clean under the sofa and clean the washing machine and dryer, the filters and the soap dish. That's what I've got to do this week. I have got other bits and pieces to do which I have to add in, but I can't think at the top off the top of my head. But I always say that it's all subject to change. I add and omit as I go along throughout the days, and by the ending of the week I've got something positive in total that I have done throughout that week. Wednesday, I usually clean the front of house as well, can't forget that. But Wednesday I have a regular foot soak, and also on a Sunday a regular foot soak. If I've got time I will do a little manicure on my nails, and I would try to do it on a Wednesday. I've tried to juggle it throughout my planning over a period of time, and what doesn't work out I change it. So I'm finding that even though Sundays when I come from church I have a foot soak and I'm usually kind of, you know, tired-ish, what I will do instead is do a manicure, because I'm sitting down, I'm not doing anything strenuous, I'm just sitting down, so I can actually sit down at the table while I'm watching some TV or something, or listening to an audio book, and do a mani if I don't get it done on a Wednesday. And I've decided on a Sunday I will not be taking any laps. I used to do 4 laps instead of 8. So Monday to Saturday I do usually try my best to do 8 laps around a recreational ground near home. But sometimes I can't get all the 8 done, but I do what I can. I always say that just do what you can. Archie, from Monday to Sunday, he has his walk twice a day. So let me just put Archie here. 2 times Archie. Yes, so no more walk for me on a Sunday. I'd rather sit and do a manicure. Even if I'm not painting my nails or anything, I'll soak them in some warm olive oil and file them and clean them and stuff. They're a bit stained because I've been using turmeric, and I've been using grey sealant and white sealant. And so I've just been, you know, getting on with it. I really have been. Yeah, so that's it really. I on a Saturday, every fortnight, I usually have now what did I name it? I did name it something, didn't I? Terrible I am. Let's see. I did give it a name. K&C Club. Okay, K&C Club, that's knitting and crochet club, but we're on holiday until September now, so I will just concentrate on doing a bit of crafting. If I do want to pick up any knitting or crocheting, I will, but K&C is cancelled for the duration of the summer period. And I do love crafting on a Saturday, especially if I have got nothing planned, like to go out or anything. I do fancy a little boat ride on the river, and I will be doing that, and I'll record it as well and show you. I'll give you some snippets of that, but I'd like to do that before the good weather goes. It's cooled down a lot in London now, even though it's still lovely and sunny and the sky is blue and the flowers are blooming. I'm just so happy when I'm at that stage for summer. And then as soon as autumn starts kicking in, I do like autumn though, but I don't like the dark evenings so early, and the dark morning so late. So that is it for me. Was there anything else? Let me see now. No, I think that is it. As I said, it's all subject to change, and I haven't got anything planned for next week as yet. I have to make sure that I'm hydrated as well. That's why I've got my cups. Oh, that's what I've meant to say. Last week I was supposed to do the kitchen cupboards, the cupboard doors, and I didn't get that done. I just couldn't get it done. So this week I'm getting it done. The kitchen cupboard doors have to be done this week. I've got just a few cupboards, not a lot, and I may probably just do 2 each day for the week or something, or if I feel like it, I'll just get all of it done, just take the day and just do that, and so I know it's out of the way. But that is it for this week. I'm looking forward to cleaning those kitchen cupboards. Yeah, I am. I've got the carpenter should be coming shortly at some point to box in my cistern and the pipes for the toilet, because I took it all away for the plumber to see the leak and stuff. So that's all been done. So I'm just waiting for the carpenter to box in, and then once that's boxed in, I can finalize my toilet. Yeah. I have finished with the bathroom. I'm just waiting on some cork so I can use that and finish. That will be finished, and that will be it, and I'll just move on to some more DIYs. But I have to say, I must get some crafting done, some recording. I must. These are the washi tapes that I've used this week. And these are all the stickers that I've got on Silhouette. I've got on my Silhouette. Then I need to print out some more. So I'll get some more of those done, printed out. And these are my trusted Pinterest images. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.